higher standards set कर रहे हैं अभी South Indian cinemas. Hey guys, so it is Prabhas' birthday, the pan-Indian star Prabhas' birthday, and he is here with Beats of Radhesham, which is the motion poster of Radhesham, and I'm very excited to react on it. But before I start, hello everyone, I'm Monali Naik, welcome to my channel, Nakrewali Mona. और अगर आपने मुझे अभी तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया होगा तो प्लीज टू सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल. सो लेट्स गो. Wow, animation, so beautiful. Fantastic, man. Indian cinemas are going huge.
चोर राधा जीवन मेघ श्याम मधुसूदन राधे श्याम यदुनंदना.
Background music, wow, beautiful. So this movie is going to be a pan-Indian movie, and I should say that Indian cinemas have raised their standards because हर एक बार जब कभी भी motion poster release होता है, teaser release होता है, trailer release होता है, it's very huge. In case of animation, VFX and everything, if you see, this is so fantastic. पहले ऐसे बादल दिखाई दिए, clouds वगैरह, फिर एक हाथ है जो ऐसे खुलता है, and then you can see कि लकीरों में से पेड़ पौधे जो भी है जंगल आने लगता है. Then the beautiful forest, greenery everywhere, and फिर एक vintage train दिखाई दे रही है. Vintage train. Then I guess that this movie is पुराने टाइम की लव स्टोरी might be. So vintage train and all, and in that train compartments you can see in first compartment they showed Romeo Juliet का love story, I guess Romeo Juliet का love story. In the second compartment it was Salim Anarkali, seems to be, and then in the third one it seems to be the Devdas Paro because वहाँ पे नीचे दारू की बॉटल थी, एक कुत्ता रखा हुआ है and all. So different love stories, मतलब ब्यूटिफुल लव स्टोरीज जो थे, अमर प्रेम कहानी, वो एक कंपार्टमेंट में दिखा है. एंड देन वॉयलेट कलर का गाउन ऐसे जो सरकता हुआ उसके हाथ में से चला जाता है. एंड देन पूजा हेगड़े कमिंग आउट ऑफ द ट्रेन. शी इज लुकिंग so beautiful. I started liking her from Buttabama times because she's actually very beautiful. She was actually looking Buttabama in it. And then Prabhas, oh my god, they both together sharing a frame, and they are looking so beautiful together. Actually, last time when I had reacted on Buttabama and Samajavargamana, I liked Allu Arjun and Pooja Hegde's jodi like anything. I was like, this is the most beautiful jodi. But I must say, Pooja Hegde is looking very beautiful with Prabhas as well. Look at Prabhas, man. This build is everything. So nice build, nice body, which is shown in this motion poster. You can see in thumbnail itself. He is wearing those checks pant. और ये check pant जो है ना, ये मुझे लगता है ट्रेंड में आने वाला है. Once this movie gets released, this check pants ट्रेंड में आने वाला है for sure. And Pooja Hegde wearing that gown, खुले बाल ऐसे हवा में लहराते हुए बाल, एंड प्रभास के गले में एक मफलर काइंड ऑफ है रेड कलर का. एंड this is looking so beautiful. In case of animation and VFX, it is very huge. Yesterday I had reacted on Bheem intro scene, and that was, my god. And even this, I am literally amazed, and I'm happy that pan-Indian star Prabhas is coming up with another pan-Indian movie, because as we all know, when we remake a movie, like I heard that Ala Vaikunta Purmalo is gonna get remake, and Karthik Aryan will be starring in that movie. Okay, so I was like, come on, we wanted to see the original ones because might be कार्तिक आर्यन उतने अच्छे तरीके से पोर्ट्रे नहीं कर पाएगा. Okay, I thought that. But thank God now so many movies are coming in, pan-Indian movies, and because of which we can see the original ones, the original talent and everything. And that's the reason I'm super duper excited for this movie as well. Look at the name itself, Radhe Shyam. Pleasant name, अच्छा लगता है. वह मूवी भी ऐसे लगता है बहुत pleasant, बहुत अच्छी होने वाली है. And the background music, wow. Manmohana, Krishna, and all, and that music and everything. Come on, I have heard for the first time, so even I don't know कि exactly क्या बोला है. But Krishna, Manmohana, and such ये सारी चीजें बोली गई है. And then the background music. Wow, so calm, so nice, so beautiful. It will take your heart away. Like literally, I loved it. Like anything. And I'm excited to see Prabhas as well. See, it's his birthday and he's giving surprise to us, and the surprise is literally very huge, literally very big, and I am so excited. मुझे आपका जानना है कि आप कितने ज़्यादा एक्साइटेड हो. बिकॉज देखो स्टार्टिंग में उन्होंने जब दिखाया रोमियो जूलियट, मैं थोड़ी कंफ्यूज हो गई. आई रियली थॉट कि ये अंग्रेज के टाइम के तो लव स्टोरी है ऐसे काइंड ऑफ, बट देन दे शोड सलीम अनारकली एंड देन देवदास. सो देन आई गॉट टू नो ओके सारे अमर प्रेम कहानी जो है वो उन्होंने एक कंपार्टमेंट में एक ऐसे दिखाया. एंड देन दिस टू, वाओ, दिस लुक्स सुपर्ब. एंड in case of style, Prabhas is gonna rock. Look at his shoes, the shoes which is wearing, the check pants. And बता देना मुझे tag करना if you want. Tag me on Instagram whenever you will be doing this kind of style. क्योंकि मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि movie release होने के बाद everybody is gonna follow this style. Look at his abs and all, na, the way he's standing in this way, मस्त एकदम लहराते हुए, and they both looking at each other. Just a motion poster is taking my heart away, and I'm like, movie is gonna rock. In case of VFX, starting में ही जैसे वो हाथ खुला एंड लकीरों में से जब पौधे आने लगे, जंगल एंड ऑल फ्रॉम लकीरों में से, एंड देन द ट्रेन एंड ऑल. Oh my God, Indian cinemas, I must say specifically South Indian cinemas are doing great in case of animation, VFX and everything. And this is wow. मतलब एक higher standard set कर रहे हैं अभी South Indian cinemas, and that is superb, and I am liking it. And you know, like I'm getting excited with so many new movies like ugly kaun si. So that's the reason I'm getting excited, because even the motion poster are making people crazy. That's what I feel. Okay, so this is superb. I literally enjoyed it from start to end. I'm excited for the trailer, teaser and everything. Tell me, how much did you like this teaser? What are your expectations from this teaser? What do you feel about this teaser? In the comment section below. And if you like my video, if you loved my review, please do subscribe and please do like as much as you can. So I come up with videos every day. So don't forget to like, share, subscribe and drop a comment in the comment section below. Baki, parat mi aalets ha. Bye.